Hello my friend, and how are you doing? And next I am planning to tell you that why this my car is keeping hammering sound when I start the engine, and then I little bit add more revs, and then this engine keeps like small hammering sound. And where this sound come from? And now I have really situation that I have take out these parts, and now I am in final step for this issue solving, that what makes this small hammering. And this small hammering sound, it is something like that. When I add my revs to 2000, my engine keeps that kind of look, this area here. The small that kind of sound. Of course, a little bit faster, but something is knocking all time. And now I have found the thing. This is this connection rod bearing. And then when I take that out, and there is this connection rod and piston, and there another side there is also similar bearing. I made huge invention. I take my pool that we can check that better, and then when I insert these two connection rods in there, we can see when we take a little bit closer view also, of course. And here is, by the way, my new connection rod. There is this my area, and then when we look in closer view, we can see that there's something strange. This is, when we look this my old connection rod bearings, we can see that there is interesting. It is like material is away in that area, and also in this second, and that means that there is huge material loss in those bearing plates. And then when we compare, this is like brand new bearing plate, and then when we compare those things, we can see that there is really big difference. And let's look even closer that what is this situation. When we look, we go to closer and even closer, and soon I made a little bit better view. Now we have better view, and then when we look in this, look, there is huge material loss. And this one is like brand new, and this is brand new, and these are old. And there is huge material loss if I show that we look in this side area. They are totally bad. And this thing makes this bad sound in this hammering sound. I have really bad connection rod bearing issue and failure. And now I can maybe fix that if I replace those new connection rods bearings plates. This is this bearing plate, but there is of course risk that if we look a little bit bigger here, that if this area where is this connection rod takes contact, that if that area is damaged, then I have to also finish and make that part of this crankshaft also in good condition. But the point is that what makes this bad sound in my engine, the result is that it is this connection rod bearings, and there are those two failures plates, and that another one in here. This is like brand new. And look especially this shape. There is big holes in here, like almost 1 millimeter deep holes in this bearing. And this makes this hammering sound. Okay, thank you.